Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transcribe YouTube video or how to convert YouTube video into text. So we will open the Chrome here and then we will open the YouTube. Here we will select some video, for example maybe this one. We will pause the ads and here we will insert Transcribe and this will open. So what you need to do now, if you want, you can install this add-on for the Chrome, or if you want you can go directly on the website and we will copy the link of the video and we will insert it here and hit transcribe, and we will get transcription of whole video what someone said in this video. This is transcript. That's that guys, thanks for watching, please like, share and subscribe.